Okay, I can start driving if you like,
All right.
as the driver. Yeah. Um, cool. So we've already bundled installed. Okay, let's just run through the test. Where's the test?
All
Cool.
right. So I get the first
Mm,
test is making the attribute accessors.
yeah, okay, cool. Let's just put it off pending. So I'm in the hangman dot in the test file.
Yeah.
I'm just taking off the pending test of the first two. And I'll start a timer so that we know when to swap over. Or we can just swap.
It's we'll just rotate every test or something.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I'll do new then. Okay, I saved it.
Did you change something different? It's showing an error in that file.
Might have. Oh yeah, shit. I randomly do. Sorry. Cool.
All right.
One idea. Okay. I'll just add the attribute accessor. Spelled. Yeah. Cool. Word guesses, right?
Yeah.
Guesses and wrong guesses. Cool. At word equals word at guesses equals new string. Oh, it should.
Yeah, that worked.
Cool. Do you want to do the next test?
All right. I'll do the next test. So I guess that is
Guessing.
yeah. So let me remove this.
Yeah.
And then
You have to. I'll remove the next one.
okay. And I guess that is it. So I guess it's called guess.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So I guess I take the string
Yeah.
and let me call it string one just to avoid any confusions. And so I guess if the word includes string one, then put it in guesses. I guess that should.
Why did that not work?
I can't see the terminal for some reason.
Um.
Can you scroll up on your terminal? I want to see what the error is.
I can't scroll up. It's being weird.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the. Should I just start a new terminal?
Yeah, sure. I have no idea how to do that, so you can do it. Okay, I'll cd into it.
And then
Okay, so it looks
Oh, so
like
I guess one of the
at
classes is nil. Oh, I see
oh,
what's
okay.
wrong.
So if it includes a string, you gotta return true both times.
Oh no,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
forgot to put the
that
add
that
sign.
yeah, yeah. But if the word includes string one, then you gotta return true, and else you also gotta return true.
Yeah. I have to remove the more pending ones. Oh yeah,
Um,
I know why it's doing wrong. This one wasn't removed. These pendings.
where? Oh no, no, those are chill. Those are chill. Those won't do anything. That's extra tests. The pendings. Those are
Oh,
that's the
no,
next
those are
thing.
for look in the command. It's saying no reason given to fail. That was because it's executing this, but there's no reason because of the pending.
But there's failures, and pendings wouldn't give failures.
No. It's a failure because look now it's working now.
Oh, okay, never mind.
It's because it was running this thing here, but there were these pending, so it was just returning false because there was no true value.
Okay, cool. Do you want me to do same letter repeated?
It's in the same method, so I can just continue.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so
Just
it should
remove the next
return.
pending.
Okay, so is it supposed to return something? Yeah, if it's not a valid guess. So I guess
Yeah. Then that should, yeah, okay, cool. Can I remove the pendings for the same letter repeated?
yeah, I can remove them.
Okay, cool. Um,
So
yeah, cool.
so go on the main Hangperson app so they can see it. The videos, people.
The main hang. What do you mean?
The one file I'm on.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Yeah, so
I think what you did earlier was right. Um,
I'll
the
just add
only thing
another if
is,
command. So
I rather don't and say and it doesn't include okay, just write what you wrote before.
yeah, but I don't think it can do that. Look, oh, I see why it doesn't do that.
Yeah, do it in okay, just save it and see if it works.
Oh, it's returning an error right here.
Okay, let's just do this. Try it now. Okay. Whoa, that's a lot of failures. Okay, well,
Yeah, I don't think. Let me just do a. It's inefficient, but it'll work for now. So I guess we'll just do.
okay. Um, I think I have a way of doing this, but it would use regex. Are you Are you okay with radio?
There's a simpler method. So I guess if it includes L, then you don't do anything. So do nothing, and then else you do.
Yeah. So let me just work at the end of this file. So
Wait,
if
where is this error coming from? Why is that
which one?
there? Oh, from this, I guess.
Try concatenation because we have set them to strings, so you could use that. Oh, you have a random else floating around there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna work at the end of this and show you what I think could work better. Not the fact that it uses regex, but another thing. So str1, right?
What are you trying to do?
I'll show you in a second. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, so you wrap all of this in that, right? And if it's true, and then at the end you return false, right? So if not working. Okay, so what we do is we have these two in here. So and we say if that word is equal to
You could just do the dot include function. This thing here that checks if that is in a side of it.
Okay.
So it returns true if the string's inside of it.
And then return true at the end. Jesus, I cannot type today. So this way, it will if the it's only valid, right? If both of them, if the thing that you used, the letter that you used, if it's not in guesses or guesses, as meaning if you haven't guessed it before, then run this batch of code.
But there's an error here. If it's gonna add if the string is not in if the string is in word, it'll still add it to this because you didn't set a condition here.
Oh yeah, no, I meant like adds here as well, doing like
add a not sign.
Yeah. Yeah. So you want to do that?
I mean, it's more complex, but I think in I was doing a simple method.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do your way. But I just think this looks more readable. So if it's valid, do this and return true. Otherwise return false.
But it's just homework, so no one really cares if it looks readable.
Yeah, true. Okay, we can do your way then. Sorry.
So what I was doing it, so if the word includes string one, add it to guesses. If it doesn't, add it to string add it to wrong guesses. But if it's already in there, do nothing else, do that. Yeah. And I guess you can do that for that.
Cool. So if my guess includes string one, do nothing. I think you're supposed to return false.
Oh, that's only if it's invalid. If it's
Yeah, but that would mean that it's. Let me just read the thing. Where are we? Oh, well, I need to read the actual file.
Right here.
If it's invalid when empty when not let. Okay.
Yeah, see, when you do a repeated guessing, I'm checking for repeated guessing. You don't need to return false. You only need to return a boolean if it's a. Actually, I think it has to return
Yeah.
false. Never mind.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, so return false on both of them and return true here, I think.
Yeah. That way, when we're actually making our server app, we can test for.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So save this and oh, now you have to check for invalid guesses. So
I think we missed one thing, which was, hold on.
if it's
Case.
capital letter, I have a shortcut for that. You could do uh, you could just do it here.
Okay. Cool.
So now you just got rid of all capital letters, I believe.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's just check if it works. Cool.
Let me finish this method and you can drive on the next one.
Okay. Cool.
Let me remove the pendings on the next invalid ones and oh,
Mm.
so I guess just add bunch up. So if
it's invalid, so we can say Ray at right to the top. Oh shit. Right to the top, you could say.
that's what I'm doing.
Raise argument error if. Just raise argument error if guess is equal to a blank string. Or guess is is not a letter, or guess dot null question mark.
Oh, I forgot the regular expressions to check if it's
If it's okay, I can type it for you if you like.
yeah.
Okay. So if
So I guess if it's not a letter, then also raise an argument letter.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. U A to Z A to Z. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's not that, if it it's not that. If it's that, because that tests if it's not already.
Oh, okay. All right. No, but this says that if it's equal to a letter, right?
No, it's the opposite. By adding this this weird sign here, that means I have no idea what that's called, but if you add that, it means the opposite.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with regular expressions.
After the first exercise, I did it with this guy, and he completely destroyed me with regular expressions. I spent half an hour trying to work out stuff, and he was just like, you could have used that, and I was just like, screw you too. So after that, I was like, okay, I gotta learn regular expressions now. But yeah, regular expressions are a pain, but they're quite nice once you know them.
Yeah, but I just stick with easy way out methods.
Yeah, it's.
There needs to be an end here. I guess that should work.
Where? Oh yeah. Cool. We have a couple errors, apparently.
Oh, I think
we broke something, like, amazingly.
Oh, this thing. Are you sure this regular expression worked? Because even when it's guessing a letter, we're raising an argument error. So let me try not.
No, it's that regular expression definitely should work.
Oh, I think it sets string 1 to that.
Oh yeah, double equals, um, double equals.
Oh, so what we could do is
No, you
first.
just missed the double. No, no, it's already fixed. You just missed the double equals here. Just
Oh,
save
really?
it and see. Yeah, that was work. Please work.
Yeah, it
Cool.
works. All right.
Cool. Okay.
So you can do that.
Okay. Cool.
So a new method now.
Just remove pending. Yeah. So if it's given test cases, I gotta do that again. Word with guesses. Word with guesses. And
You could just loop over that things.
loop over.
Yeah. Loop works best here.
Can't I just sub it in and out? Okay, let me just read this quickly. So okay. Sorry, wrong app. Okay. So return. I cannot spell return.
There's a GitHub document for this, and it basically says to replace the word with the guesses.
Replace the word with guesses. Well, could I just try my way, because I think because what I'm doing is I'm just subbing the one value with the other with dashes basically.
Yeah, but you have to not. Okay, are you modifying the original word?
No.
Okay.
T sub with the exclamation point would do that, but I'm just returning.
Yeah.
Value again. Wrong guesses. And give that dash if guesses at guesses dot empty question mark, and then otherwise return the word dot gsub. So there's another method called sub, but the problem with that is it only does the first test case. So I'm just using this, and then I'm interpolating the guesses or wrong guesses inside of it.
All right.
And dash. That should work, but I think we have to test for if it's empty. So if at guesses I got empty and at wrong guesses got empty. Sorry, because I do not know how to spell these things. Word equals dash equals. So I'm just making a local variable and then one dot up to, and then I'm just going through the word length.
Yeah, I get what you're doing.
Length, and just passing it in. Word.
I think you'll have to subtract word.length -1.
No, it's 1 up to, so it doesn't include naught. If I said naught up to, then I
Oh,
would,
alright.
and then return the word, because the word would have the length of dashes as. Right, please work.
Oh wait, we have
Oh.
to you have to remove the pending.
Oh, oops. Where?
Is it removed? Yeah, it works.
Yes.
Good job. Okay, so I'll do the next method, which is just return games. So it's check win or lose.
Okay, so you're turning lose if the wrong guess's length is more than 7, more than equal to 7, and then you're returning win if the if the word okay, cool. Okay, yeah. Cool.
So return lose. Uh,
Cool. If it equals that, shouldn't it return win?
oh yeah. Yeah, we should return win.
Did you remove the pending? Okay, I'll remove the pendings. Honestly, I think the point of adding pendings to the end of files is very, very stupid.
Yeah, me too.
Because I like look at our terminal right now. Okay,
Oh,
if we
everything.
just saw this, like the point of adding something as pending is that you don't see it and you just see what you failed. And this, can you see my highlighting thing?
Yeah.
And you just see what you failed, what you passed, and what is yellow, like in color. But you still see it anyway. It's
Yeah, so it's
irritating.
getting annoying.
Stupid people. Ish. Okay, cool. What do we have to do next?
Yeah, I think this language is. I don't think Ruby is a good language either. Like it doesn't follow normal
Really?
conventions.
I think I honestly love it. I mean, it reads like English, and it's just it just makes me happy to read. It looks pretty.
Um,
That's
so I
what I
think this
love
is
about it.
enough what we have to do for the pair program. I think we have to do anything else.
I think that we have to map the resources. Um,
I asked a question about this on the course forums, and they said that you have to you can do the bare minimum for the grade. So like this is enough to get 100 on the pair programming.
okay, cool. Okay, cool. It was lovely working with you. Cheers.
All right.
Wait,
Can you give me a link to
one
the
thing.
video?
Oh yeah, I'll send it to you over Jitter. How do you save all these files, or will I have access to this thing on Cloud9?
You can just copy and paste it. I'll let you have access to it.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, okay, I have read right. Okay, that's chill. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
Cheers.
Send me the.
Yeah, well, okay. Cheers.
All right.